We're out in the greenhouse again, trying to do a little straightening up. It's almost Christmas, almost the 21st, 19th, 2 days away from the shortest day of the year. It's hard to get motivated. My grapevine here, it looks like these ones here are coming out of the very base, or the stock plant, not the Pinot Noir itself. Set you up here. My mailbox fell down. It's early in the morning. It's only like 9 o'clock. 8:45. I just can't get motivated. Just not motivated at all to do anything. But I got to. Got to do something. Got to keep moving. Got to keep going. Set myself up here for some success. My screen out. I'm going to put some peat in it. I want to root those vines so I can graft on my Pinot Noir. Rootstock. That's what it is. It's called rootstock. Grapes are pretty easy to root. Got a 1 gallon pot here. I'm going to put this chunky stuff in the bottom. I don't want those leaves though. This is just dried peat into my mixture. Then I'm just kind of breaking them up a little bit by rolling it across, but I'm going to use it all. Got good organic stuff in it. You don't need any fertilizer or anything. It's all in here. We're going to water it good. Let's take some water. Get it good and moist. There, it's running through, see? That's good enough. Now we'll put that over here in our bucket. Let's get our grapevines. Let's see if I can get down there. We're just going to grab it down there. We're going to use that one. Ow, hit my head. Got this one down here. And one more. Yeah. So right here, see that node right there? We're just going to take that one. We're going to strip off a little bit of the wood. Use my scissors here. Get into that cambium just a little bit. And we're going to take 1, 2, 3. We'll probably come up here to this one. And we'll do the same thing on this one. And we'll come up here. Get that off of there. That'll work. Get rid of that node right there. And this one. There. There's 2 good ones. That's not the one. This one. Yeah. These 2. We will rooting hormone these. This is brand new. Just bought this rooting hormone. Okay. Now, I don't want that to tip over, so I'm going to grab a couple more. We're going to start right here. Trim off that little node right there. And we'll come up. We'll give it a bunch right to there. We'll take that one. Trim that one off. Trim that one off. And we'll come up here to about there. That's good. There's 2 good ones. I don't like that one. We'll dip those in the hormone. Dip this one in the hormone. Sounds like it's starting to try to rain out there. What else we got? I don't care for this one. You know, when you cut these grapevines off in In the wintertime, they're pretty pliable. Well, that one broke. That's why they make the grape wreaths. If you were going to make a grape wreath, for whatever reason, you just keep going with it. Get the dead parts off of there. I suppose you could soak it in water. That's not really necessary. They just bend around. You can see. Just keep going. I did it last year. Get a grape wreath. Although I don't use it for anything. It's just interesting. Alright. I did that side. I did this side. I think, oh, this is this side over here. It had some good growth on it, but not one grape grew off of the thing. Wispy. Okay, we'll take this side too. Go right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll grab that one. Get rid of that. Go to there. Take that one off. Hormone. Drive it down. Try again. We'll go up to here. Take that off. There you go. That's a good one. All right, that's enough. 6 of them. Maybe I'll do some more. Doesn't hurt. Almost got me in the eye. This one is long. That's okay. Do 8 of them. All right. Where'd my hormone go? Okay. Now those are just going to sit here till spring. We'll come back and see if they root. All right, you guys have a good day.